Welcome to the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 in titanium rush metallic. This truck is powered by a 6.2-liter V8, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the AT4, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for power adjustable and folding mirrors, button-activated trailer and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights, controls for your heads-up display in behind the steering wheel, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, heads-up display I previously mentioned, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple Carplay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, shifter is in the center console, and Bose audio all throughout the vehicle, as well as the rear-view mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the AT4, starting things off with your 18-inch alloy wheels paired with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving right along, color-matched door handles, AT4 badge on the doors as well, LED strip and paint-matched mirror, 6.2-liter V8 plaque on the fender. Around the front of the truck, classic red GMC badge, black chrome grille, red recovery hooks, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Make your way back down the side of the vehicle. This vehicle is remote start equipped. Rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. And around the back of the vehicle, chrome Sierra badge, chrome exhaust tips, rear towing package, side steps built into either side of the bumper, and to top it all off, we have GM's MultiPro tailgate. Heading back inside the AT4, starting off with your in-seat storage. Seats come in a 60-40 split. Cup holders come down in the center. Rear sliding window. Bose audio continues throughout the truck, and here in the center console, we have the controls for your heated leather seats. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough in the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.